How to open an HDFC Demat account? First of all, visit the official HDFC Securities website or click the link given in the video description to start your Demat account opening process. Enter your mobile number and verify it by entering the OTP sent to your phone. Next, provide your email ID and verify it using the OTP received on your email. After that, enter your PAN card number and date of birth, then confirm your details. Now, fill in your bank account information, including the IFSC code. Verify your bank account through a small deposit made by HDFC Securities for validation. Then, complete your KYC by linking your Aadhaar card via Digilocker. Enter your Aadhaar number and verify it with the OTP sent to your registered mobile number. After that, upload a clear photo of your signature and take a selfie to complete the verification process. Next, enter your income details, occupation, and personal information such as your father's and mother's name, gender, address, and marital status. You can also add a nominee for your account if you want. Review all your details carefully and submit your application. Once approved, you will receive your trading ID and username via email. And that's it. Now you know how to open an HDFC Demat account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more banking tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.